Let's hear it for Headed Motorsports. Woo! Dude, hell yeah.
Good morning, guys. Today is the day. We are loaded up right now and we are about to pull out and head to Cleetus and Cars. This is gonna be an awesome day. Gonna be so much fun. Everything is all packed up. Klaus is ready-ish. You never want your car 100% ready, or you never want your race car ready, or no, what's that saying Garrett said? He's like, no one's ever really ready for a track day, and if they are, you shouldn't hang out with those kind of people, because they're lying. No one's ever actually ready. So we're loaded up. We're gonna pull out the gas station, grab some water, fuel up, and we'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? We are in now. We're finally in the racetrack. It's actually been a couple hours, but we had to set up, get registered, tech in, all kinds of fun things like that. But we are ready to go. Here is our merch set up right now, and I think it looks pretty legit. We've been selling some shirts, selling hats, all kinds of stuff. It's awesome. We got Klaus over here right now, Garrett being my talk show host, explaining everything for me so I don't have to. Oh, it's so awesome. It's going right over here, all the way around.
So there's a
everyone
that you should go to.
Both of our trucks, trailer, everything. We're ready to go. Ooh, what are we doing racing, like 2 o'clock or something like that, or 1 o'clock? I gotta check the schedule. I gotta figure it out.
I don't even have a phone on me.
We'll get it figured out. But hey, that's the setup right now. We're gonna go scooter around now and find some cool stuff. We are in the staging lanes right now. We're getting some air in the tires. We're gonna make our first test run, see what the car can do. We're gonna be nice and easy on it, and we're gonna see what it is.
All right, here we are. Bradenton Motor Speedway, get ready to test and tune. We got these slicky stickies on Klaus. We're getting the air pressure set to 20 pounds. Figured if we could, we would spin the tires instead of breaking it. So with Carl in the driver's seat, get him suited up here. A few minutes till we get in, we'll see how fast we can go.
That's called CAD, cardboard aided design. Compliments of Jeremy Formato. All right. No, you're fine. So guys, last time you saw us, we were in the staging lanes. That was about 2 hours ago. It started to downpour, and it's still raining pretty hard. But we are going off with the burnout contest anyways, they said. So we just, Jesus, it's so wet. We got Klaus's tires changed right now. I got the red and blue tires. Everything's else the same. We're just literally gonna do a full send, no half sends. Because what else to do? We couldn't race. Who knows if there's racing later, but we're just gonna give Klaus all that he has for this burnout contest. We're gonna need like 150-mile-per-hour wheel speed to even get smoke, because there's about 6 inches of water right before the burnout pit. When you get in there, it's all soaked. It's a mess, but whatever. We're gonna have fun, and I will check up with you guys when I get over there. Got you guys. We're gonna have to split up this video because it's just gonna be too long. The burnout alone, we have like 10 cameras, so many different angles, all that. That's going to be its own video itself. See him there right behind me. So that'll be his own video himself, and you'll see that probably tomorrow or something like that. We'll see. It'll make you wait, but you won't want to miss it. It was truly epic. We'll see you guys later.